Hello everyone. So we'll be discussing chapter-wise solutions of previous year papers, IPMAT, CLAT and DUJAT. In this particular video, we'll be discussing about questions from IPMAT and we'll be discussing questions from these three chapters: percentages, profit loss discount and simple interest and compound interest. First of all, why we are dividing the questions chapter-wise? The best method to prepare is to learn the basics and practice the basics of the chapter and then return to the previous papers and see what type of questions were asked from those chapters and what was the difficulty level, if you are able to solve them or not. That's why we are dividing the questions chapter wise, so that you can practice efficiently and check your preparation. So if I talk about IPMAT 2020, IPM Rohtak asked three questions from these three chapters. IPM Rohtak asked three questions from these three chapters. If I talk about the sample paper, released by IPM Rohtak in 2020, they have asked four questions from these three chapters. If I go according to the previous pattern of these exams, I can expect that IPMAT Rohtak will ask 3 to 4 questions again from these three chapters in 2021. In 2021, we can expect that 3 to 4 questions will be asked from these three topics again. See, again, I'm telling you, we are not sure whether the number will be 3 to 4 questions or it can be more or it can be less as well. But if I go according to the previous pattern of the exam, you can expect 3 to 4 questions. So let's see what questions were asked and whether you are able to do them or not. Thank you. This question is from IPMAT 2020 sample paper released by IPM Rohtak. The question is from profit, loss and discount. Let's read the question. One trader calculates the percentage of profit on the buying price. Buying price means cost price, and another calculates on the selling price. When their selling price are same, then the difference of their actual profit is rupees 85. And both claim to have made 20% profit. What is the selling price for each? Okay. So let there be a person A which calculates profit on cost price, buying price, and there's a person B who calculates profit on selling price. So let's see what happens. I'm assuming cost price as rupees X. Now after making 20% profit, selling price will be, what will be selling price after making 20% profit? It will be 1.2x. And what will be the profit in terms of rupees? It will be 0.2x. Now this profit 0.2x is actually for whom? A. Why? Because A is calculating profit on cost price. So this profit is for A. But what happens to B? B is calculating profit on this selling price. Now, what will be 20% of this selling price? This will be 0.24x. Now, this 0.24x is profit of whom? This 0.24 profit is of B, because B is calculating profit on selling price, and selling price is same for both of them. Yes, that is 1.2x. A is calculating on cost price and B is calculating profit on selling price. So I've got profit of both of them. A's profit is 0.2x and B's profit is 0.24x. And the difference between them is given. The difference between their profit is 0.24x minus 0.2x is 85. So this will give me x as 85 by 0.04. But what we need to find? We need to find the selling price. We need to find the selling price for each. What is selling price? Selling price is this. Selling price is 1.2x. So selling price for each one of them will be 1.2. What is the value of x? X value is 85 by 0.0. It is 0.0. Yes. So I will get 2550 by solving. Is there any option like this which gives me answer 2550? Yes, there is option B which gives me the same answer. There is option B which gives me the same answer. I hope you understood what I'm doing. First of all, I'm assuming cost price. I calculated profit for A, which was calculating profit on cost price, that is 0.2x. Then I calculated profit for B, which is on selling price. Selling price turns out to be 1.2x. The profit in tandem turns out to be 0.24x for B. The difference between them is 85. So I wrote it like this in the form of equation. Then I found out the value of x, that is 85 by 0.04. But we need to find out the selling price. Selling price is 1.2x. So I have to multiply the value of x by 1.2 to find the value of selling price. So here is the selling price 2550. Option B will be our answer. I hope you understood. Thank you.